Hello everyone. Welcome to this Python tutorial. Today, we are going to learn about Python, one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Python is simple, powerful, and very easy to learn for beginners. Python is widely used in many fields, for example, web development, data science, artificial intelligence, automation, and software development. One of the best things about Python is its simple syntax. Even beginners can start writing programs very quickly. Let's look at a simple example. Print Hello World. This is a simple Python program. The print function displays text on the screen. When we run this program, Python prints the message, Hello World. And that's how simple Python is. With just a few lines of code, we can already create a working program. Thank you for watching.